Welcome to our comparison of two popular rice cookers, the Zojirushi NS-TSC10 and the CUCKOO CR0375FG. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. The Zojirushi NS-TSC10 comes at a premium price of $232 US, reflecting its advanced features and durable build. In contrast, the CUCKOO CR0375FG is much more affordable at just $99 US, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers. This significant price difference may influence your decision depending on your cooking needs and budget. When it comes to capacity, the Zojirushi NS-TSC10 has a larger capacity of 5.5 cups uncooked, making it suitable for larger families or gatherings. On the other hand, the CUCKOO CR0375FG has a smaller capacity of 3 cups uncooked, which is ideal for smaller households or those who prefer to cook in smaller batches. Consider your cooking needs when choosing between these two options. In terms of build quality, the Zojirushi NS-TSC10 features a durable stainless steel construction, which not only enhances its aesthetics but also contributes to its longevity. Conversely, the CUCKOO CR0375FG is made of plastic, which, while lightweight and easy to handle, may not offer the same level of durability as stainless steel. Your choice of material may depend on your preference for durability versus weight. In conclusion, both the Zojirushi NS-TSC10 and the CUCKOO CR0375FG have their unique advantages. The Zojirushi is perfect for those who prioritize advanced features and larger capacity, while the CUCKOO is a fantastic choice for those looking for affordability and ease of use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.